Literally. This is car A, this is business class of the tilt train. I don't want to be too close to the horn because I know it's going to honk its horn. Literally. Literally it will, guarantee you. There's Wi-Fi enabled in there as well, eh? I went to... This is that's car A, this is car B, it's the first economy seating area. Right here, as you can tell it is, because it's car B. It's gonna go all around here. Alright, I want to be over here, I think this is the better spot. I think I'm gonna tilt. I think the tilt wants to go now, which is good. Tilt looks like it wanted to go. Tilt wants to go, it can go. Oh yeah, it honked. A little bit of a jump.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Yep, tilt train is about to park platform 1 bound for Roma Street. You can tell it's Brisbane. Car A, this is car A I'm filming. It should be going any moment now. That's Roma Street, yeah. There it goes. See you later, tilt train. Have a safe trip, everyone in there. You can tell it is because see you later. Oh yeah, it's moving. Car B, C, D, E, and F. There's the route. Thank you. See you later.